Welcome to Kinda Kosher Kitchen, guys. I'm going to show you a little recipe. This is a fresh kosher recipe, and it's pretty easy, pretty simple, and pretty healthy. There's no sugar involved besides what's in the fruit. There's no preservatives, there's no yogurt. It's just oranges, bananas, and ice. So let me show you how. Just take your oranges, throw them on in there, get them down at the bottom. Then take your bananas, load them in there, cut them in half if you need to. Gonna push them down there a little bit. Then you just want to put some ice in there. And then blend. And I like a little bit more ice, but you kind of just ice it to taste and how cold you want it. So now that it's down a little bit, I'm going to put a little extra ice in there. I think that'll be good. And now that it's all blended up, I'm just going to take this orange right here and slice that in half. And pour me a glass. And open it up. And sit it right there to the side, and there you go. You have an orange banana drink with no preservatives, no sugar, no yogurt, just kosher and healthy, kind of.